Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 3rd till the 9th of Feb. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box and book your slots for the best healing modality of the whole universe. Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. The best healing modality. It's life changing. I'm doing it from a very long time now. Ho'oponopono is the best test. Okay, let's see. The person that you are no contact or no communication with, Cappies, let's see what are their feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, and the Four of Wands. This is someone, Capricorn, who is very disappointed with the way things are going between. Yeah, this is someone around you, Capricorn, who is very disappointed with the way things are going between you guys right now. It's like this collaboration, this partnership was something very meaningful for them. And they are very disappointed when this is not converting into something stable, some kind of commitment, kind of energy, some kind of stable deal. Wow. So you had a connection with somebody with whom you had a vision of commitment, long-term partnership, and or marriage, and now they're highly in disappointment kind of energy because it's not happening, or might be it's never going to happen. That's the deal here. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Ten of Cups, the Two of Wands, and the Eight of Swords. So wow, let's see. Okay, I'm getting almost similar reading for two other signs. I got like similar reading for two other signs as well. So this is somebody who definitely wants to have a happily ever. So this is someone who definitely wants to have a happily ever after kind of a deal, with or without you in their life. But they want to wait for the time when they will be able to get out of this mental jail, that this overthinking, this negative belief, this trapped kind of energy. Hmm. Right now they are in a very negative mindset, where even if they are getting something positive, they're like, no, they make it negative, they're making it negative with their overthinking. Okay. Not, nobody wants to do that. It just happens, right? So they want to get out of this overthinking and this feeling like left out in the cold and feeling trapped in their own overthinking kind of energy. They're stuck in that. So that they definitely want to have this happily ever after kind of a deal. They want to wait for the time when they will be able to have that in the 3D world again, with or without you. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 9th of Feb. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Ace of Wands, the Temperance. Honey, it's like, I'll wait for my turn. I'll do this when my turn will come. I'll do that when my turn will come. So this person is waiting for their turn to come, for waiting for their time to come, so that they can do something about the situation between you and them. They are very patiently waiting for the right time to take the action that they are planning to take in this direction. I don't see them doing anything about it right now, because they think right now is not the right time to do anything about the situation. They should definitely and patiently wait for the situation, wait for the right time, wait for the tables to turn in their favor somehow, so that they can do something about it. Okay. So no action from this person's side right now. For you, the guidance here is the Six of Wands. You should be the center of attention of your own world. Okay. You should be your number one priority right now. Nothing else and no one else should matter to you right now. Because once you are going to be in your own essence, the people, the situations, the things that's good for you will come to you, and others will leave you naturally. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.